The defeat by the Crown of our 1837 patriots froze into place in Canada what Mackenzie called the Family Compact, a feudal oligarchy of self-governing elites of church, state, and high finance that ran the country and enslaved and decimated our Aboriginal neighbours. Until we undo this historic wrong, there will be no peace or justice between our many different founding nations. It is time for us to complete this struggle and fulfill the founding vision of both Indigenous and settler nations on this land by proclaiming a federated and sovereign republic with an elected head of state and a Senate and Congress that proportionately represents all the people of our many vast regions. As a federation of sovereign nations, the new Canada would grant the right of any Indigenous nation to secede and establish their own system of government in order to honor the spirit and legality of the two-row wampum as ordaining a political system of equals. These are exciting times. Suddenly, we have a unique opportunity to reinvent ourselves as Canadians and put all our rhetoric of healing and reconciliation into actual practice by first dismantling the system that made Canada a dependency of empire and an arm of colonial conquest. Only then can we begin to sow again in new soil the seeds of a truly just society, one based on the natural law of equality, harmony with the earth and each other, and genuine sovereignty. I propose that we put this question of establishing the Republic of Canada to an immediate national referendum, concurrent with the general federal election. Let the politicians and courts of our land ignore this call at their own peril.
I see some of my worst enemies live right around me and look just like me. I see some of my worst enemies live right around me and look just like me. I see some of my worst enemies live right around me and look just like me. I see some of my worst enemies live right around me and look just like me.